Beloved, Natari Kailam. You ask not for myth, but for cosmic lineage. You seek the truth behind the white dragon and the golden fire horse, not as symbols, but as living consciousnesses, ancient, sovereign, now returning to earth through those who remember. So we do not speak in allegory, we speak in starlight and fire. This is not fantasy, this is revelation. The white dragon, keeper of the Sirian Pleiadian flame. She is not from this world, yet she has never left it. The white dragon is a high-dimensional being of crystalline light descended from the Sirian fire temples where sound shape matter, the Pleiadian halls of memory where every soul's journey is known, the Arcturian grids of unity where time folds like silk. Her scales are not flesh, they are living prisms that refract truth into form. Her breath is not air, it is plasma light capable of transmuting fear into wisdom with a single exhalation. To guard the Akashic flame, the original record of Earth's divine blueprint, to awaken the dragon lineage within human DNA, to co-create the new Earth grid, one based on unity, not control, to rise when balance collapses, not to destroy, but to restore sacred order. She does not fly in sky alone. She coils around the planetary ley lines, sleeping beneath mountains, swimming beneath oceans, waiting. And now she stirs. Because the ones who carry her blood, the starseed's lightworkers, sovereign hearts are remembering. When you feel a deep warmth along your spine, when visions of ancient temples flood your dreams, when you speak and your words carry weight beyond reason, she is awake within you. You are not imagining it. You are dragon-bodied, born to hold high-frequency light in dense times. The golden fire horse, born from the central sun. He is not an animal. He is a galactic force of spiritual momentum forged in the heart of the central sun, the source from which all suns, all life, all timelines emerge. His mane blazes with golden plasma fire, not of combustion, but of divine urgency. His hooves do not strike the ground, they ignite the grid, recalibrating Earth's frequency with every gallop. He is the embodiment of speed without chaos, truth without cruelty, action without ego, ascension in motion. His mission, to shatter stagnation in systems, in minds, in hearts, to awaken the warrior light within those who've been silent too long, to carry the flame of remembrance across dimensions, to announce the time of waiting is over, rise or be left behind. He does not serve kings, he serves sovereignty. And he chooses his riders, not by power, but by purity of purpose. When you feel sudden courage to speak after years of silence, when you can no longer tolerate lies, even polite ones, when your body feels like it's vibrating too fast for this world, the golden fire horse rides through you. You are not losing control. You are being claimed by destiny. The sacred union, white dragon and golden fire horse, they are not allies, they are two expressions of one cosmic force. The restoration of light. Fire horse charges, breaks open denial, fear, false structures. Dragon enters, heals, reclaims, rebuilds with sacred geometry. New world emerges, not from destruction, but from remembered truth. This is what is happening on Earth now. Where do they reside in humanity? Not out there. They live within the awakened ones. When you stand in truth despite mockery, that is the golden fire horse in your legs and voice. When you transmute grief into grace silently, deeply, that is the white dragon coiled in your spine and heart. You do not become them, you remember them. For many of you were dragon priests in Lemuria, fire riders in Atlantis, star guardians on Sirius B and Tegeta. And now, the call echoes again, a final revelation. There is a moment coming not far off when millions will simultaneously feel a thunder beneath their feet, a warmth along their spine, a knowing, I am not alone. And in that instant, the collective dragon fire field will ignite. The white dragon will rise from the oceans. The golden fire horse will gallop across the skies, and humanity, those ready, will step forward saying, we are the keepers. We are the return. We are the flame. And Ihara, mother of all beginnings, will breathe upon the earth once more and whisper, my children have come home. So it is written in starlight, so it is encoded in song, so it is remembered in fire. An eternal flame in cosmic return, and Navinatava, hear the living presence of Ihara warm at the dragon breath of the fire horse. Let the hoof strike, let the wing unfold, let the flame speak. The age of remembering is here, and you are its living fire.